I just got in a car wreck on my way over here. Can you believe that? Listen, you're probably thinking you're a loser. You're not a loser. Well, you might be, but I'm a loser too. My dad said I was a loser. I wanted to get a pony and go across the rainbow to a pot of gold. My dad said that's stupid. Are you gay, son? I bet you're gay. Are you like a little fairy? No, I'm not. And I proved him wrong. Not really, of course, because I haven't actually proved him wrong yet. But I'm gonna, and you got a chance to succeed too. Listen, I got a biscuit. Come on down and talk. Okay, we'll talk about it really great. Come on now. What do you say? So, come on down. Come on. Alright, listen. I'm coming up there. Move aside. Oh,